Good afternoon to you all. My name is Vivek Nambiar, and I'm an alumnus of Shiva Robotics Academy. I am honored and humbled that Coach K has asked me to speak here today. 5 years ago, when my family decided to move from Los Angeles to Jacksonville, as a sixth grader at that time, the only question I inquired from my parents was, is there a robotics academy in Florida? Our Google search displayed Shiva Robotics Academy on the top of the list with the best reviews, and it was barely the first year of the academy, so I was very impressed. I remember the first day I walked with a robot and a 3D printed drone that I have built myself and showed Coach K. She told me, I think you are more than ready for the FLL challenges. At that point, I had no idea what FLL is and what it meant. Little did I know that within a few months, I would be programming like an expert and building EV3s that are that made my rookie team the first to win a championship award.